Hi, I'm Amanda from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, and today we're doing pancakes and grilled fruit cast iron style. I'm using the Lodge grill and griddle, which I love because they're really great for breakfast foods like this, but you can use them for all types of cooking. So I've been preheating these at medium-high heat, and you'll notice with cast iron, it takes a little bit longer to heat up, but once it does, you get this really consistent cooking temperature. I did a scratch recipe for buttermilk pancakes that you can find on our website, but you could certainly use a packaged pancake mix. And then today you'll see that I'm gonna use a little bit of pineapple and mango and plum, but you can use any kind of fruit combination you like. Okay, here's a really cool trick. On the grill, I'm using a little bit of lemon-infused olive oil. You might think that sounds strange considering we're making pancakes, but this olive oil adds this savory note that is gorgeous. Let's get a couple pieces of pineapple on here. Now for the pancakes. I always like to do a pancake to test it to make sure that I like the temperature of the griddle first. So we're just gonna do one, and I've got a little bit of olive oil spray. This cast iron comes pre-seasoned, which means you don't have to treat it with anything or season it yourself before you start to use it. I'm just gonna turn these. Okay, let me check my pancake. So my test pancake actually looks fantastic. I'm gonna use it, but now let's do a whole batch. Another really cool trick to show you to tell if your griddle is hot enough, just take a little bit of water and see if you get some sizzle like that. Okay, let's do 3. I like 2 to 4 pancakes a person. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until I see those bubbles around the edge and then I'm gonna give them a flip. Now, while we wait for the pancakes to finish and the fruit, I'm gonna show you the coolest sauce for these. So I've got some heavy cream, a little bit of vinegar, and some sugar. So I just wanna whisk this, and that's ready to go. Let's check on our pancakes. Oh, these are perfect. I got the temperature exactly right. Always pays to do a practice one. One of the things I love about this griddle is it's got this low angled side, so it's really easy to get in there and flip things like pancakes and eggs. Okay, let's build a plate. I'm gonna put my pancakes on. Okay, let's slice some of this mango and pineapple. Okay, just a couple of slices on the plate. Then we're gonna get some bacon to go with it. And now the sauce. Perfect. To get these recipes and learn more about the Lodge double-handled grill and griddles, visit us online at williamssonoma.com.